So I had a comment that repeated multiple times, how to make a laser light, how to make a laser light. All right, here we go. What I'm gonna do is already have the scene set up here. Go ahead and quickly jump over to the shader to show you first the setup. I'm gonna go and click on my laser light, which will be this one. And here is the setup. Very easy. Got my light output connected to a diffuse material, which we know we need. Okay, got the emission here. This is going to be the color. Select whatever color you want. I cranked it up to 1000. That's going to depend on your scene. And then here I've added in a stripes node. If you go shift A S S T stripes, there it is. And then basically I made the values white color, black, white, because it comes in with color. And then here's the blur, here's the thickness of the lines. I have one zeroed out so we can just get these straight lines, right? Okay, play with this, different settings, do different things, right? So just play with the experiment. This is how I figured it out. Make sure you plug this into the distribution. This is plugged into the distribution. I use this 3D transform just to scale up the lines and the spacing between the lines, okay? So go ahead and screenshot that if you want. And then boom, we jump in here, fire up the render. I've got this purple light here just so we can kind of see the monkey head, which he has just a chrome materials on him. And then we go into our laser light and bada bing, there it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and mute our purple light just for the moment here. And this is the light. It's very small. Again, what you need to do is click on your light settings and then scroll over here. And then this is my settings on the light here. Make sure this here is set to 0 or just very small, because if I scale it up, oh, thank you. We got a new subscriber. Welcome to the family. This is what our light looks like. If you look at it right now, we can see we just got this one bar here. And that's, again, if you play with the scale here, you can change that around. See, there it is. I'm kind of changing that around with the scale. Here's our thickness. If we play with our thickness, we get different lines. Again, you can play with these different combinations, and I have that set to 0. What we do is you take this size and you shrink it down. I basically shrink it down to 0, and now we're getting the projections. There's our lines. Super easy. Again, you can get in here and start playing with your stuff again. You want to make these lines thicker, just experiment with this node. Crazy lasers flying everywhere. Right? Scale. You probably could even animate that if you want to do some cool effects, right? New to Blender Octane? Can't find learning materials? Down below, I got a link for the Blender Octane School. I'm building a community there to help fast track your learning of Blender Octane. Check the link down below.